Welcome to Furomon, a beautiful mountain in Rangamati, Bangladesh. Here the clouds love to play hide and seek with the mountain peaks. Today we will explore this amazing place together. As we travel along the road, the mountains begin to appear, covered in soft clouds. It reminds me of Darjeeling, but Furomon has its own special charm. Every turn on the road reveals a new view, more beautiful than the last. The cool air feels refreshing as we start walking. The mist is everywhere, and it feels like we are walking through the clouds. It's peaceful here, and the beauty of nature is all around us. And then we reach the top. The peaks of Furomon stand tall, with the clouds floating all around. It feels like the sky and earth are touching each other here. Clouds move slowly, almost like they are dancing. One moment the mountain is hidden, and the next it appears again. It's like a fun of game of hide and seek. Sitting here above the clouds, everything feels peaceful. It's the perfect spot to relax and enjoy the natural beauty. As the sun sets, the sky turns orange and pink, and the day comes to an end. Furomon isn't just a place, it's a feeling of peace, beauty, and adventure. Thank you and Assalamu alaikum.